Hi there, it's Christina. If you're a coach or a course creator and you have an established business and you feel pretty good about it, but you want more ease, who doesn't, right? More leads, more of your time back, better systems, then this video is for you. I'm going to be talking about my top five custom GPT picks for 2025. And they're my top five because they're the ones that I use myself. So I know firsthand how useful they are to have. And they're also the ones that I most commonly recommend for my clients because they're designed to address common pain points and challenges like content, marketing, lead gen, and client support. So let's dive in. First up, and honestly, my favorite is the audience growth strategy GPT. So a lot of us know that we need more visibility. We need a bigger audience in order to have more sales, but we don't know where to focus our time. So if that's you, then the audience growth strategy GPT is for you because it acts as a mini lead gen strategist and planner. What that means is that it looks at your business, your individual business. So that's your strengths, your offers, your schedule, your bandwidth, and it helps you figure out which platforms make the most sense for you in terms of lead generation, what kind of content you should be posting, and what lead gen strategies align with your business and how you like to work. That way, you don't have to be everywhere all the time. You don't have to be, burning yourself out trying to do all the things when it comes to like all the different lead gen strategies that you've heard about because there's really no one size fits all solution. It's really a matter of finding the lead gen strategy that's the best fit for you and your business and then doing it consistently. So you can use the audience growth strategy GPT to produce a very simple, streamlined, clear lead gen plan that fits your specific business. The next one that I want to talk about is the weekly marketing planner GPT. This one is for you if content consistency is tough for you or you find yourself staring at a blank screen, wondering like what to write or share or post. And this is something that I personally struggled with for a very long time. I wasn't really good at creating content, and having an AI assistant that helps me with it has been great because it's taking not only a lot of workload off my plate, but also made it less stressful for me and made it easier for me to show up online. So the way that it works is that each week the custom GPT gives you fresh, personalized content ideas and prompts that are based on your niche, your goals, and your audience. So this is not it's not, I'm not talking about like generic templates that you can find anywhere online that like really aren't suited or, matching you and your business. I'm talking about personalized marketing content that's crafted to help you stay visible consistently, but in a way that fits your voice, your style, and how you like to show up online. So it's basically like having a personalized content strategist that gets your business and that costs you nothing apart from your Chat GPT subscription. Next up, let's talk messaging. The Messaging Makeover GPT is to help you take the content plan that I was just talking about from the Weekly Marketing Planner GPT and make the words sound and feel like you. So this GPT is trained to learn your voice, how you talk, your tone, your style, the way you phrase things, little catchphrases or words that you say, and it helps you take your content plan and follow through, write it out in a way that sounds authentic, that sounds true to you and your personal brand, and doesn't sound flat or generic or robotic or anything like that. So this can be used for everything from your emails, your social captions, your landing pages, blogs. All of those written content pieces will end up sounding cohesive and infused with your personality and style. The fourth GPT that I recommend is the offer planning GPT. If your head is full of ideas, like mine is all the time, I have so many thoughts on what I might want to create and offer, but it's harder for you to bring those ideas to fruition, then this GPT will help you take that next step. So what it does is it helps you get clear on every element of your offer. So what content to include in it, what the structure of it should be, like how you would organize it and present it to the buyers, how you should position it, how you should price it. So that way, by using this GPT, you know exactly what to create and also how to present and promote it to your audience. So whether you're building something new or refreshing an old offer, this GPT will help you get it organized and fully plan out so that you don't have to just be sitting on a good idea and losing money in the process. Instead, you can move forward with a very clear action plan and move faster in terms of launching offers that will make you money. And then finally, we have the support and engagement GPT. So the first four GPTs that I mentioned are designed to help you in the back end of your business. But this last one is client facing, which means it's a GPT that you give to your people for them to use it. So if you're a coach, the support and engagement GPT could serve as an accountability and support resource for your clients that helps them stay on track in between sessions. So if they have like let's say a question about something, some information that you shared with them, or if they're having trouble staying on track with their like weekly task list or action plan, or if they need some more ideas or resources that will help them make a little bit more progress, they can use this accountability GPT to help them so that they don't feel stuck or overwhelmed at any time. And then if you're a course creator, this GPT can serve as a course companion. What that means is that it's trained specifically on your content and your methods. And then your students can use it when they have a question about the material that you teach in the course, or if they're struggling with a particular lesson, either understanding it or taking action and implementing it. But either way, whether you're using this kind of GPT as a coach or a course creator, the support and engagement GPT leads to better client results. They feel more supported, and as a result, you get better retention. And at the same time, there's less energy on your part required trying to keep up with all the questions and requests that come up that demand your time. And that's why I love this one, because it's a win-win. It adds the value for your clients without adding more to your schedule or workload. So those are my 5 top custom GPT tools for coaches and course creators in 2025. I genuinely believe that custom GPTs will become, they kind of already are, standard tools in the way we do business, and their importance and their role in our businesses is only going to increase over the coming months because they address real pain points that we all face as solo business owners. So if you're thinking, yes, please, I need one of those in my life, then check out my AI Power Assistant service, which is a completely done for you experience where I build a personal GPT that fits your business, your workflows, your goals. The process is that we hop on a Zoom together. We will talk through what you need and what kind of AI assistant can best serve you. So it could be one of the 5 that I just mentioned, or it could be something else. So we would discuss what are the bottlenecks in your business, like what's holding you, what's like sucking up your time, or what's holding you back from making more progress or more money, or how can we design a GPT that can help you better serve your clients or your students? And then after we come up with that game plan, that strategy, I'll take care of everything from there. So the tech, the setup, like, giving you instructions on how to use it and how to implement it in your program. So if that sounds good, the link's in the description below. And if this video was helpful, I would love it if you would hit like, leave a comment below with your favorite GPT or one that you think would be useful in your business. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss next week's video. Thank you for watching this and catch you soon.